Hey everyone, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage. And in this video, I will be guiding you through the installation process of our TST Industries mirror block-offs for the all-new 2024 and up Suzuki GSX-8R. Now, by installing our mirror block-offs, you do lose your ability to remount your OEM mirrors. So you will lose any mirrors unless you have other solutions in place like bar-in mirrors, or if you are using this bike on a track where you can remove your mirrors. Now, these mirror block-offs are CNC machined aluminum, anodized black, and in a natural silver finish to match the varying color schemes we've seen with the GSX-8R. In this video, I will be installing the black set, as I do believe it will finish the look of this bumblebee type scheme we have going on. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in and begin the install. To begin this installation, we do need to remove the OEM caps that are covering the OEM bolts on your mirrors. You can do so by using a small flathead, and these will jump out, so just make sure you are prepared to catch them. They're these small little rubber caps. There's one on each bolt head. And now, with a 5 hex key, Allen key, T-handle, hex bit, we will go ahead and remove the OEM bolts. Now, you want to do one side and then complete the other side. You don't want to remove both at once. These 4 bolts do help align this entire front fascia with regard to the windscreen and the upper fairing mounts. So doing one side at a time will be the preferred method of installation here. Now, as you remove your mirror, there is a rubber gasket. Sometimes it'll get stuck like this. Other times it's actually stuck on the mirror side, but all that to say, there is a rubber gasket in between both. You can go ahead and remove it at that time. Make sure you do not leave it on that surface. Now we can go ahead and grab our TST Industries mirror block-offs. They are side specific, so they match the entire contour left behind from the OEM fairing or the OEM mirror. And if you try and install them on the wrong side, well, they simply won't really work. Can you force it? Yes. Do we suggest that? Absolutely not. So with our hardware in hand, we are going to superimpose the mirror block-off and ensure we grab one of the bolts and begin threading it by hand and then using a tool. Now, as you do this, you want to ensure that you are not cross-threading. I'm going to hop on over to the other side here. You want to make sure that you are not cross-threading. This panel does flex out of position just enough that can ultimately provide some tension on this mounting hole. So you want to make sure that you are not cross-threading in any way, just like that. And before we bottom out the first bolt, let's go ahead and grab the second one. And now you want to make sure that the contour does match up. These mirror block-offs are designed to sit completely flush. Sometimes that does mean just flexing this body panel and this upper fascia in a way that aligns the mirror block-off, and then we can go ahead and tighten down. There we are. And once you bottom out, you can then go about another quarter rotation of a turn. That'll be enough to provide security while not over tightening and stressing these contact points. Now we will repeat those steps on the opposite side, and this installation will be complete. And there you have it. This installation is now complete and you're ready to ride. But please note that by doing so, you have removed your OEM mirrors, and unless you are doing this for track reasons, like you need to remove your mirrors, or because you have other mirror solutions, you do not have mirrors at this time. Please make sure you fully understand that before installing our block offs. But as you can see, we were able to completely streamline and revamp the front end on this GSX-8R. I think on this yellow scheme with the black mirror block offs, it really provides some nice contrast, but also flows with the rest of the scheme on this machine. Really gives it this bumblebee look. I'm a big fan. But if you have a silver or a blue model, maybe those silver mirror block offs will be calling to you a little bit more. If you like these block offs, you want to buy them, you want to see what else we have available for the GSX-8R or any other bike that may be in your garage, please be sure to visit our website, tstindustries.com. The link to these mirror block offs can be found in the description below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you just want to say, hey, let us know where you're watching from. We'd love to hear from you. You can do that down in the comment field below this video. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn the notification bell on to stay up to date with all the new and exciting videos we've got going on. And lastly, please be sure to visit our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all username TST Industries. For now, this has been Mark in the TST Garage, and we will catch you next time. Ride safe.